Hi, it's Lolly. Hi. We are going to have such fun today. I have a new toy for you. It is a zoo truck with some animals. Let me show you. Okay, here is our zoo truck. Look, you see the animals on this side? And if we turn it, the front looks like a zebra. Let's turn it again. There's more animals on the side. And there's even an animal in the back. And the top looks like a giraffe. All right, let's put some animals inside. Let's see what animal I have first. The first animal I have is a hippo. I see a hippo. All right, we have to find the hippo. Can you see a hippo shape on this side? Yes, I see a hippo shape right here. Okay, let's put him in. Let's see if he fits. Let's put in the hippo. Yay, we did it. Okay, let's do some more. Let's see what's next. I see a giraffe. I see a giraffe. Do you see a giraffe shape on this side? No, I don't see one. Let's turn it. Do you see a giraffe shape on this side? No, that's not a giraffe shape. Do you see a giraffe shape on this side? Yes, I see a giraffe shape right there. Let's put the giraffe in. Let me see if he fits. Yay, he went in. Let's do more. Okay. Ooh, I found a good one. Look at this. I found two zookeepers. I see zookeepers. Okay, let's see where the zookeepers would go. Do you see zookeepers here? No, I don't see any zookeepers. What about driving the truck? Do you think the zookeepers drive the truck? I think so. I see where the zookeepers go. Let's put them in the driver's seat. Ready? Let's put one zookeeper in. And let's put two zookeepers in. Okay, they can drive our zoo truck. All right, let's get some more. I see an elephant. Does the elephant drive the truck? No. Let's turn it. Ooh, do you see an elephant shape? I do. I see an elephant shape right here. Let's put it in. Let's see if it fits in there, in that hole. Let's push it in. Yay, we did it. Let's do more. Let's see. I see an alligator. Do you see an alligator shape on this side? I do, yes, I do. I see an alligator shape right there. Let's put it in. Let's put in the alligator. Does it fit? Oh, he did, yay, he fit. We did it. Let's do some more. Oh, I think we have 3 more. I see a lion. A lion. Do you see a lion shape? No, no lion shape. Let's turn it. Is this a lion shape? No. Let's turn it. Is there a lion shape on this side? Yes, I see a lion shape right there. Let's put in the lion. Let's see if he fits. Yay, he fit. He did, he fit. Let's get some more. We only have 2 more. Ooh, I see a rhino. Do you think a rhino fits on this side? Do you think he goes there? Should we try it? Does he fit? Oh, can we turn it around? No, he doesn't fit. Let's try again. Let's turn the truck. Ooh, what about there? I think I see a rhino shape. Let's try it. Do I see a rhino shape right there? Let's try. Let's put him in. Oh! Yay! We did it! We found him. Okay, we only have 1 more. I see a zebra right there. That's not a zebra shape. That was our rhino. Let's turn it. I see a zebra shape right there. Let's put the zebra in. Ready? Let's push him in. Yay! We did it! We got all the animals. Now they're inside the truck. Listen. I hear them. Should we get them out? There's a special way to get them out. Let's turn it around. This is our trunk. We're going to open it. Open the trunk. Open it. And let's dump them out. Ready? Ready? Set? Go! Wow! Okay, the animals. But you know what? Our zookeepers are still in there. Let's take out the zookeepers. Take out one. Take out two. We did it! We did the whole truck. That was fun. Thank you for playing with me. It's time for me to go. But remember, you are smart. You are caring. And you are loved. Bye-bye. I love you. Bye-bye. Big kiss. Mwah!